located in Los Baños, Laguna.
Today's vlog, we're going to show you amazing private resort and villas.
Yeah, right? Darcy Goes 2 is going big time. Calidos Laguna, Pavilion 1. So this is the common area you can hang out with your family. You have karaoke, kitchen area with refrigerator, gas stove, and then meron na ring water dispenser. Meron kang sariling basketball ring, and then yung sarili mong private swimming pool. Merong 3 feet, meron 4 to 5 feet. So you have your own projector para maka-experience ka ng movie night. On this part, merong shower area and then yung toilet. Calidos Laguna Pavilion 1, merong 3 different rooms. Check muna natin tong room number 1. As you can see, merong 3 double size na bed. Fully air conditioned na rin siya. Then meron ding private na toilet. Yung sink, yung toilet, meron na ring bidet, and then overhead shower. Dito naman tayo, check natin yung room number 2. So, room number 2, merong 4 na double size bed. Meron sa ilalim na pull-out bed. And then on this side, merong double deck. Yung taas is single bed. So, the room, meron na rin ditong mga drawers or cabinets. Fully air conditioned na rin siya. And then the highlight of this room, merong balcony. Yan. So, yung view, makikita mo yung harap ng Calidos Laguna Pavilion 1 and 2. Yung kalsada and then yung parking. So makikita mo rin yung mga bundok. So parang ang sarap mag-chill, sobrang peaceful dahil nga private resort dito. So yeah, very luxurious yung vacation. Ang sarap i-cherish yung moment kasama yung family. Private bathroom ng room 2. Same style lang sa room number 1. Merong sink, merong toilet, bidet, then yung overhead shower. Room check, room number 3. Yung design ng room number 3, same lang din kay room number 2. So, 4 na double size bed, meron sa taas na single bed, fully air conditioned, and then meron ding balcony. So, on this room, sasalubong kagad sa'yo yung toilet. So, same style sa room number 2. Ayos, sobrang sulit. Ayan. Ito nga pala yung pavilion 2 ko. Dahil loyal ka sa aking bodyguard, ipapamana ko na to sa'yo. Okay, boss. Siyempre, ililibot kita para makita mo yung features na itong pavilion na to. Yan. Meron kang private pool. Meron na rin yung court or basketball ring. Wow. Meron kang garden dyan, parking. Siyempre, meron kang sariling function room. Tara, pasok tayo. Yan. Itong function room, kaya niyang i-accommodate yung 40 packs. Alam mo ba na dati pinaparentahan ko to per night, 26,000 pesos. Fully air conditioned yan, meron ding mga activities. Madalas ang nagre-rent dito pang business event, pwede ring family gathering. Merong table tennis, merong darts, meron kang sariling mga toilets dyan. Mga tables and chairs. Ito naman yung karaoke area. Yan. Meron ka ng flat screen TV, may sound system. Pwede kang mag-party-party. Ayos. Ito pa ang pinaka-highlight. Merong billiard hall. Sayong-sayo na to. Marunong ka ba mag-billiard?
Sapat lang, boss.
Sige nga.
Pwede mag-practice.
Sakto. Pwede mong pag-practicean yan dahil sa'yo na to.
Salamat.
ipapakita ko sa'yo yung room number 1. Pasok tayo. Ayan, so kung makikita mo yung room 1, sobrang luwag. Merong 1, 2, 3, 4. Bali, 4 na double size bed yan. Merong pull-out bed sa ilalim, kapareho nung sa kabila. Meron isa sa ibabaw na single bed. Sobrang dami lang ma-accommodate ng kwarto na to. At higit sa lahat, fully air condition pa siya. Dito, yung mga lagayan ng mga gamit para organize. Ito, yung bathroom. Meron ka ng sink, yung toilet, yung bidet, tsaka yung overhead shower. So, kompleto na. Dito naman tayo sa room number 2. Ayan, bale, 4 na double size bed, meron ding single bed sa ibabaw, meron na rin siyang toilet and fully air conditioned na rin tong room 2. Doon naman tayo sa room number 3. So, ito naman yung room number 3. Tara, pasok tayo. Ayan, parehas lang ng laman, parehas lang ng design, fully air conditioned, may sariling toilet, parehas lang ng room 1, 2. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa room number 4. Yan, halos pareho. Yung pavilion 2, may 4 na rooms and pare-pareho lang sila ng design. May 4 na double size bed, merong isang single bed, lahat meron ng private bathroom and then fully air conditioned. Overall review, napakaganda, sobrang dami ng taong ma-accommodate, up to 40 packs. Yan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang parentahan ng 26,000 for 22 hours. Napaka-elegante.
Boss, salamat,
Ayan,
boss.
Pavilion 2. Papamana ko na yun sa'yo.
Thank you, thank you. Napakalaki na ito.
Nakikita mo ba to? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Pavilion 3 and 4 ko, dito pa rin sa Calidos, Laguna. Yan, dahil kambal kayo, sa'yo na yung 3, sa'yo na yung 4.
Salamat, boss.
So, syempre, ililibot ko kayo. Tara!
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Okay, let's take a room tour. Dito tayo sa room number 1. Ayan, yung room na to, merong 4 na double size bed, fully air conditioned na rin. Then yung dyan sa dulo, meron ding private bathroom. Yung bathroom, merong overhead shower, merong toilet, meron na ring bidet, and then yung sink. Ayan yung room number 2. Halos kapareho lang siya ng design ng room number 1. Merong 4 na double size bed and fully air conditioned na siya. Then meron din siyang sariling bathroom.
Pares lang ba?
Ito nga pala yung room 3. Same lang din siya ng room number 1, number 2. Yan. 4 na double size bed. Pwede na kayong mag-relax. Pavilion 3, meron siyang room number 4 sa taas. So, ito yung itsura niya. Merong double size mattress. Meron din dito, tsaka merong bed dito. Fully air conditioned na rin siya. Medyo mas maluwag to kumpara sa mga rooms sa baba, like yung room 1, 2, 3. Meron din siyang sariling bathroom. Mas maluwag din kumpara dun sa baba. May toilet, may bidet, meron na ring overhead shower and sink. So, the highlight of this room, meron siyang balcony. This is the common area of Pavilion 3. Actually, yung Pavilion 4 is the same lang, the same design as Pavilion number 3. So this is the common area. Merong billiard table, may sariling swimming pool, and then this is the karaoke area, and then the dining area and kitchen area. And also, meron din silang projector. Pwede rin silang, para rin kasi siyang pang-organize ng event. Pwede rin siyang pang-corporate events, so family gathering, and special events. Pavilion 3 and 4, same lang for 20,000 pesos per night. And then good for 30 packs. Okay siya, the best. This is the Pavilion 5 ng Calidos, Laguna. Meron siyang 4 rooms, 3 sa baba, and then meron ditong isang kwarto sa taas. So fully air condition, merong mga single beds. Pavilion 5 is good for 22 packs, and then you can have this for just 18,000 for 22 hours. So that this one is the common area. You have your swimming pool, table tennis, and then mga tables and chairs. Then meron ding karaoke, and then kitchen area. And so dito sa Pavilion 5, o halos lahat ng pavilion is merong disco ball and meron ding mga projectors. So lahat ng pavilion dito sa Calidos, wala ka nang hahanapin pa dahil kompleto na lahat. Simple, complete, but elegant. The best.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel and food vlogs.
Planning for a big family event, business gathering, or you just want to hang out with the barkada? Calidos Laguna is waiting for you.